Hi guys, this is EBG Makes Money. So for today, we're going to discuss about getting a second job. So you better watch this video if you want to learn and earn. Okay? So question, are you looking for a second job or a part-time job or a side hustle para ma-supplement mo yung income ng family? Actually, there are a lot of reasons why people look for a second job. Sometimes, you just want to save up para makabili ng house, ng car, o kaya naman makaipon para sa college fund ng anak ninyo. Maybe you're saving up for a trip to Palawan over the upcoming long weekends, or it might be even for reasons na other than money, like you want to pursue a true passion, or i-practice ang isang skill or talent, or build more skills for your resume. And others do it for just to network and meet more people. So here are some of the side hustles that I have encountered while staying at home, and hopefully makatulong sa inyo sa journey nyo on getting income while working from home. Freelance job is my first on the list. So ano ba yung mga freelance job? So, as a freelancer, you'll be working for several clients and, of course, for several jobs. And you are not considered as a full-time employee. This type of work, good siya for those who cannot always commit the same amount of hours every single day, since you choose what projects you can take on. Most freelance jobs can be done at home and online. But there are freelance gigs naman na you can do that even if you don't have any internet connection. For example, being a videographer or a photographer. O di naman kaya mga financial advisors or financial planners ng mga insurance company. They are considered as freelancers. Online jobs. Ano ba yung mga online jobs? Patok na patok to. Para rin siyang freelancing jobs except that you work from home, online, using the internet. So, online jobs are found online, and all your transactions, all your activities are done online. This type of work has become so popular that there are multiple sites where you can find freelance work, tulad ng freelancer.com, Upwork, TrueLancer, OnlineJob.ph, at marami pang iba. You can actually be online na recruiter, like dito sa recruitday.com as a talent scout, where you can earn money by referring jobs to your friends online via social networks. Next on the list is mga caregiving jobs. Caregiving jobs are those like babysitting, taking care of the elderly, saka mga people with special needs. Mostly mga nursing or those related sa caregiving and other allied medical services ang gumagawa nito. Pero not necessarily though. Basta't may compassion ka, may patient, and alam mo naman kung paano mag-care sa isang tao. This is a good way to make extra income since the hours are flexible and it actually pays well. You can even get lucky and become a regular part of the family. Then, the next one is service industry jobs. These jobs involve doing work for customers such as waiter or waitress. So, retail salespeople, customer service representatives sa mga call centers or BPO fall under this category. Another option that has become very popular na rin this past few years is becoming a driver for ride-sharing services such as Grab. Another second job is what we call seasonal jobs. These jobs are good for you if you work at a job where there are times you have more time or more free time than others. Like if you want to be a tutor or a teacher and have summer off. Other seasonal jobs include delivery during holidays, creating Christmas treats to sell, summer swimming coaching, taekwondo coaching, or those that teach football to kids. And lastly, the entrepreneurial ventures. This is one option where you can go for and start your own small business, whether online or offline. Although this option doesn't fit all people naman, because most of the time, starting your own business requires a lot of capital and a lot of time. But if you have a strong passion for something, you can definitely do it. So just start small and build it slowly. So there you go, guys. Those are my second job ideas. So if you want to learn more about money making tips and other side gigs on how to make money online and while staying at home, continue watching EBG Makes Money, subscribe to our channel, and like the videos that you are watching. Okay, thank you guys, and see you next video. Okay, bye-bye!